Hello there. Are you running a Shopify store and looking to boost your rankings? You're in the right place. Today, we'll walk you through 9 essential steps to get your Shopify store to the top of search results. Let's get started. Let's dive into the steps. Step 1. Keyword research. Keywords are the foundation of your SEO strategy. Use tools like Google Keyword Planner, Ubersuggest, and SEMrush to find the right keywords for your store. Focus on long-tail keywords to target specific search queries. Step 2. Create engaging content. Content helps personalize your brand and keeps customers on your site longer. Regularly posting valuable content will boost your rankings and keep your audience engaged. Step 3. Install Shopify apps to increase revenue. Apps like SEO Optimizer and Plugin SEO can enhance your store's SEO performance. Browse the Shopify App Store to find the best tools for your needs. Step 4. Link creation. Backlinks act as votes of confidence for your site. The more quality backlinks you have, the higher your store will rank in search results. Focus on building relationships and earning those valuable links. Step 5. Optimize title tags and descriptions. These are crucial for search engines to understand your content. Make sure your titles and descriptions are clear, relevant, and include your target keywords. Step 6. Website speed optimization. A fast loading site keeps customers engaged and improves your rankings. Make sure your Shopify store loads quickly to provide a smooth shopping experience. Step 7. Perform an on-page SEO audit. Check your site's content, metadata, and technical aspects. Make necessary adjustments to improve your SEO and boost your Shopify store's visibility. Step 8. Improve your URLs. Clear, descriptive URLs help both users and search engines navigate your site more easily. Make sure your URLs are user-friendly and keyword-rich. Step 9. Produce unique product descriptions. Avoid copying descriptions from other sites. Write original, keyword-optimized descriptions to improve your SEO and provide valuable information to your customers. SEO can be challenging, but with these 9 steps, you're on your way to boosting your Shopify rankings and attracting more customers. If you need help getting started, our team at Effeect is here to guide you. Ready to take your Shopify store to the next level? Contact us at Effeect for expert Shopify SEO services. Book a free consultation today and let's grow your business together.